Hello all. Today we will see that how to select different columns, rows, because we often need to select a group of cells to perform various operations. For example, copying, moving, insertion, deletion, etc. The basic thing is that how to select all these columns, rows, and cells. So just have a look on that. So we are having different ways to select. So for example, to select row or a column, what we do. You can see here we are having columns here, and all the columns having some names A, B, C, D, rows having some numbers, row number. So for selecting a column, just click on the row or column name. Suppose column name, if I click, column will get selected, and if you drag your mouse left and right side, your columns will selected in a continuous manner. In the same way, rows also will get selected when you just drag it up and down side. For selecting cells, just drag your mouse from one cell to another, and you can select continuously some group of cells there. Next we have to select entire row, entire worksheet. So for this, for selecting entire worksheet, we are having one button in the corner, left corner between A and 1. This is known as select all button. Click on this and you can select the whole worksheet within a second. And the second method is to press Ctrl A. If you press Ctrl A there, then also you can select complete worksheet. Now next is to select adjacent rows and columns. So for selecting adjacent row and column, we do what? We click on any column there and just drag our mouse or use shift plus arrow key from left and right selection. We can select left side also and right side also. Same way, with the help of mouse or shift plus arrow key, you can select rows also which are continuous in nature. So you can select continuous columns, continuous rows with the help of shift plus arrow keys or by using your mouse. Now to select non-adjacent rows and columns, for this just click on the any column name and just press Ctrl key with them and just press any non-adjacent columns. In the same way you can select non-adjacent rows also. Just press Ctrl key and click on the number of the particular rows, and you can select both of them also. You can select columns by pressing Ctrl key, and by pressing Ctrl key only you can select rows. So at the same time you can select columns as well as rows also. So these are few methods of selection of rows and columns which will helpful for us when we are using Excel. Thank you.